Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see how to write a program that will print out a pattern like this. Here we have to have 1 on top, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. We are going to print out a triangular pattern like this, okay? And whenever we do a triangular pattern or any other table, we always have to use a nested for loop. To create a nested for loop, we need some variables. Let's introduce some integer type of variable. First I am declaring integer I and j and k and l, and also for space I put sp. Okay, the next thing is we are going to initialize sp with 20 because it's starting with a big space, okay, that's 20. Then I start the first for loop. In this for loop I initialize I with 1 and also I initialize k with 1, and then we have to set a condition. In this condition I set the condition I is less than 5, and then we have to do the increment operation, that's I plus plus, and then after that we are going to create the nested for loop. Nested for loop is a for loop inside a for loop, that's why we call this one a nested for loop. In this one I'm going to initialize L with 1, and then we are going to set the condition, that is L is less than or equal to space sp, and then we are going to do the increment of L by 1 each time, and after that we are going to print out the space. To print out the space we put a printf statement like this, printf, and inside of this printf statement we are going to just leave a space, okay. And the next thing is we are going to do the reduction of space by 2 each time, because as you can see in this pattern, initially we are starting with this big space and then we need less space for numbers because we are going to have numbers, so we have to do the reduction of space by 2 each time. So we put sp like a s, I have to put sp and minus equal to, it means decrement by 2 each time, okay. The next thing is I'm going to create another for loop. Inside of this for loop I'm initializing j with 1, and then I set the condition, that is j is less than or equal to I, and also I do the increment operator for j and k at the same time, j plus plus comma k plus plus. Now we just have to print out the numbers, printf statement, and I put a semicolon. And to print this one like if you want this one exactly like this, you have to leave a space first and then put a %d and then leave a double space like this, okay. And since we are trying to print out k right here, we have to put a k comma k, and then that's it. And also because this looping is going to return again and again and again, so we have to put a new line, because each time it has to go, when the loop is repeating, it has to go to the new line. So I put a printf statement. Inside of this printf statement I put a \n, so that will go to new line every time, and that's it. Now when we run this one, the triangular pattern should print. Let's go ahead and execute. Okay, now you can see we are getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. And also if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.